guys, it's your girl Bella. How are you? Hope everyone is doing well. I know, I've been MIA for a couple of weeks. Things in my personal life have really been crazy for the last few weeks. Work has been disastrous, extremely busy. Yes, I do work a 9 to 5. And I'm also getting married in a few months, so the last minute details and planning for that have really taken up a lot of my time. But that's okay, I am back now, so let's get this show on the road. So today is Fix My Credit Friday. For those of you who are new to my channel, first off, welcome. And secondly, Fix My Credit Friday is a segment where I take questions from you guys about credit, and we kind of just have an open dialogue about the question. You know, credit is this taboo topic that nobody wants to talk about. And so I'm using this segment as a way to have an open and honest dialogue about ways to fix your credit and address any questions and concerns that you guys may have. So with that being said, I do have an email from Anonymous, and it reads as such. I am 22 years old and I live with my parents, and I plan to stay here for at least 3 to 4 years while I save to buy a condo. I also have my own car that I paid for in cash. Since I have no need to apply for credit anytime soon, do I really need to worry about my credit and what my credit scores are? Well, Anonymous, first off, thank you for the email. And secondly, yes, my answer would be yes. At 22, even though you're now starting out and you are really young, now is the time to worry about what your credit scores are and what's on your credit report, even though you're not looking to apply for credit anytime soon. And there are 3 reasons as to why I think you should care about your credit and credit scores. First reason, you now might be starting out, whether you're fresh out of college, or even if you're not fresh out of college, at 22, you're now starting off in life, right? And a lot of employers, depending on what your career field is, run credit checks as a standard part of the application process. So it would really be unfortunate to not qualify for a job because you couldn't pass a credit check, right? So that's definitely one big reason as to why you should care about what's on your credit report, as well as what your credit scores are. Second reason, things might change. Who knows? In a year or two, you might say, you know what? I actually do want to move out right now and rent an apartment. I want to get away from mom and dad. I want my own privacy, right? So the majority of landlords are absolutely going to run a credit check as well as your income to see if you can qualify for the apartment. So it really sucks to not qualify for the apartment because your credit is bad, or, and things like that. So that's definitely another reason as to why you should care about what's on your credit report. And the third reason, which to me is the most important reason, you should want to know what's on your credit report, just so you know, right? Information is power. And also, more importantly, there's been so much fraud and credit data breaches, right? Equifax, Target, right? And the list just goes on and on. So it would really be unfortunate to, let's say fast forward to 3 to 4 years down the road and you are ready to buy this condo and you realize that there's all this fraudulent activity on your credit report, and this activity is causing your scores to be low, and you have these derogatory marks on your credit. And then now you have to spend months, even years now, trying to fix this issue. So if you just kind of worry about your credit and credit scores now, you can save yourself from that headache down the road. So those are my 3 reasons as to why you should care about your credit and credit scores now at 22, even though you're not looking to apply for credit anytime soon. So I hope that answers your questions. If you have any other questions, Anonymous, feel free to email me. And for the rest of you, If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact me. There are a couple of ways to contact me. There is my email, bellascreditcorner@gmail.com, and you can also send me a message on Facebook, Bella's Credit Corner. All right, so that's it, guys. Until next time, catch you later. Ciao.